We exhibited to Shizuoka Hobby Show 2023 held at Shizuoka Twin Messe in Japan. The Shizuoka Hobby Show is one of the biggest in Japan, a showcase for a wealth of different products of Japanese brand classic models, railroad models, radio-controlled models, hobby tools, and more. It's a great opportunity to catch up on the very latest market trends. Booth Hall has separated in two, South Side and North Side. And this time, our booth is in South Hall. The show has 2 trade days for buyers and trade professionals, a school in Shizuoka Students' Day, and 2 public days. Through these 5 days, many global modelers and visitors come to the Shizuoka Twin Messe, and the hall is being filled with the excitement start to finish. Oh, now we arrived to Echotech booth. TV screen for a promotion movie, multiple design rail screen, option parts, capsule toy vending machine, and of course, ultrasonic cutters and L series. Now, we came to North Hall. Also in this hall, big famous Japanese brands such as Aoshima, Tamiya, Hasegawa, Bandai are gathered. Today is a day for buyers and trade professionals. When it becomes public day, it will be more crowded. Let's walk and see around the North Hall. From today, 2 days for public day starts and modeler booth area opens. Modelers coming from many countries display their original models. Over 800 people tried our ultrasonic cutter in these 5 days. Averagely, people who purchases our unit are coming back within 2 years from the try, wishing they remember this experience and get our unit someday. Touring Modeler Booth Area, 32nd Modelers Club exhibition, with modeler clubs from many countries combining to show more than 10,000 of their creations. Gundam, automobile, animation and movie characters, original design, a variety of models are displayed and each of those are made really high quality. Some of models moves, make sound, able to set its system with electric device. Some of models which were designed originally were delivering message to viewers. Hearing such technologies and backstory from creator is one of the ways to enjoy this area. According to one of the exhibitors, modelers are changing their displays each day, depends on the visitor's disposition. To tell the truth, it was heavy weather while this fair. However, many people came to this fair and hall was very crowded as to we cannot move forward fast. As visitors gather here to see models under heavy weather, displayed models quality were all very high.
We're now visiting to MTM booth. This guy is from the France. Hello. Wow, these models are so cool. Did you make all these models by yourself?
These are not really models, these are demonstrators.
Demonstrators?
Yes, what we've created is this small electronic unit, electronic module. It is actually a Wi-Fi module, so you can connect with control your static model.
Okay.
Light and sound like the mirage here.
Wow, this is very cool. Connecting with this substrate. And the sound and those lights can control with this connected device, right?
With this tablet, for instance, or I said smartphone, so you got a small app, so you my program, and then you can program up to 5 sequences. That means for each sequence you can define how will be the light, either off, stable, or blinking. There are 4 channels on this one. Don't provide the sound. It's up to the people to, for instance, to download, but to record the sound, the original sound, and then to turn them into wave file, and then you just have to have a wave file, and you can put them in there. So this is the small.
Yeah.
The sequences that you can program up to 5 sequences per model. Sequence 2, engine turns on. Sequence 3, lights, navigation lights turns on. Sequence 4, you can full speed motor is full speed, and so on. So this is the way it works. You have a schedule. I want the 5 sequences to start within the next few minutes, or immediately, or this day at this time, and then repeat every 3 minutes, or every 3 days, or every 3 years.
You can instantly make the system of the activation of each model. Where did you get that sound? And
the sound, you can find almost all the sound on the internet. Many people are now reworking on old engines, and now they make them quite new, and you can find some videos and so on where you have the original sound. This model is a twin engine, so that's why just to show you can start with engine 1 and engine 2, and then it's a kind of plane I like. It's more plane.
it really looks real.
There's a light in the cockpit of the dashboard, so that the dashboard is backlighted.
Can you change the sound effect?
Yeah, you can change it quite easily. We'll show you with this demonstrator.
Okay.
Is it, so it is the same module. So for instance, sequence 1 will put all the lights stable, and the sound will take song. I got some song, I think.
This booth's name is called the ASEAN team, and I'm one from the ASEAN. ASEAN is maybe Southeast Asian, and these are the Southeast Asian team table. Okay. And these are they work from Thailand, so I'm safe from Thailand. These guys are already passed the competition in Hungary and in Italy. This guy from Hungary and this guy from Italy. Yeah.
What material is this are made for?
It's a little bit heavy. It's full of racing kits. This guy not available because he's the fan art. The artist itself, he is Thai. His name is Grisada. He gave me this because he knew me that I would want to go to the competition in abroad. So he gave me this. So and he said, brother, please paint it for me, please. And I said, okay, please, okay. And this also have the concept. You can see the difference of the size.
Yeah. Very easy, like simple.
These guys are dark red. Two parts represent the red part and the blue part. The red part represent the Sith part, and blue part represent the Jedi. Like in our life, we have both parts. We have bad and good. And this water is like, when we have bad, we have good. It comes, it flow like water. It comes and goes. So this is the concept.
Wow, it's very nice. So this is on this model. So how was the result of competition?
I got the silver award and 3 special awards from Mosam Show in Hungary.
Wow, you got a mini award in Hungary.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.